सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Taj GVK Hotels and Resorts Limited received an order from the Office of the Commissioner of Customs and Central Tax, levying a demand of Rs 42,13,881/ relating to service tax assessment for the period the 1st of April 2015 to the 30th of June 2017. The demand pertains to a mismatch in the percentage of abatement availed. The company plans to appeal the order. Electra Greentech Limited has received a letter of award (LOA) from Himachal Road Transport Corporation (HRTC) for the supply and maintenance of 297 electric buses. The order value is approximately 424.01 crore and the buses are to be delivered within 11 months. This is a domestic order and there is no promoter/promoter group/group company interest in HRTC. Electra Greentech Limited has received a letter of award (LOA) from Himachal Road Transport Corporation (HRTC) for the supply and maintenance of 297 electric buses. The order is valued at approximately 424.01 crore and is to be executed within 11 months. The buses will be sold outright to HRTC and Electra will also handle their maintenance. Oriental Rail Infrastructure Limited has secured an order worth 3,98,94,428 rupees and 84 paise from Rail Coach Factory, RCF, Kapurthala, Indian Railways. The order is for manufacturing and supplying 26 sets of seats for LHB non-AC chair car coaches and 8 sets of seats for LHB second AC chair car coaches. The delivery is to be made by October 21, 2025 and September 10, 2025 respectively. 95% of the payment will be received against the inspection certificate and proof of delivery, and the remaining 5% after acceptance of goods. Asian Warehousing Limited has been awarded a tender by the Food Corporation of India (FCI), Jaipur, under the PWS 2010 scheme. The contract involves warehousing services for the storage of 9,240 metric tons of food grains at a rate of 7 rupees and 40 paise per quintal per month. This is a domestic contract and the execution time frame will be determined by FCI, Jaipur. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।